Structural steel, the premier green construction material. Its high recycled content and recycling rate exceed those of any other construction material. Over the past 3 decades, the steel industry has reduced greenhouse gas and overall emissions by 36% and increased the water recycling rate of steel production to 95%. As the green building movement grows, more and more building owners, architects, engineers and contractors are selecting structural steel framing systems to meet sustainable design and construction goals. At the end of a building's life, 98% of all structural steel is recycled back into new steel products, with no loss of its physical properties. As such, structural steel isn't just recycled, but multi-cycled, as it can be recycled over and over and over again. It is truly a cradle-to-cradle material. Stay with us to get more update about the steel like this.